Hi there, I am Jagat and welcome to my channel Excel Data Analysis. Well, this is our first video about the basic spreadsheet modeling. So throughout this video, we'll be solving a business challenge. How can I determine employees' weekly wages? So throughout this video, while solving this challenge, we'll learn about three basic but important functions: the sum function, the average, the formula text that has been newly introduced. Simultaneously, we will learn about the multiplication operator and we will use that to solve this challenge. So let's jump to our dataset. We have three input columns or the input fields, we'll say. We have name of the employees who work for us. Then we have all hours the employee have worked in this particular week, and we have the hourly rates of each employees. Okay, so let's open our Excel sheet. So here is our data, and first we will calculate the weekly salary of Nicole, right? So let's go to that cell E2, okay? And at any point of time, if you want to know the reference or the address of that particular cell, you can check this name box. Okay, so this is actually denoting this is E2, so column E and the row number 2. Okay, so I'll calculate that with the multiplication operator. So this is equal to, then I'll go to C2, then multiplication operator star, then wage per hour. Okay, and I'm pressing enter in my keyboard, right? That's it. Okay, so with this we have calculated the weekly salary for Nicole, and we have mentioned it here. Okay, so this is basically C2 into D2, right? Wage per hour into the number of hours Nicole has worked for that particular week, and this is our result. So it's like $351. Now our task is to calculate the similar weekly salary for all other employees, and there are number of methods that through which we can fill all these respective cells for all other employees. The not so efficient way is to just go to each cell and repeat the same formula or the same operation just like this, and for each of these cells which are available. Okay, and but as you know, this is not so efficient. Okay, in real time, in practical condition, in real business, we must have like millions of rows to fill out. So for that we have a solution in Excel. We have something called copy command that allows us to easily compute the weekly salary of every employee, even if there are millions of rows, right? So how we can achieve that? First method would be just copy this cell E2, right, where we have C2 into D2. Then select this range from E2 to E9, right? Then paste it with the keystroke Control V, right? So the formula has been pasted and we got our result. So we got our weekly salary for each employees. Now let's discuss about the most efficient method to calculate the salary for each employees. Just select this cell E2 where we have already calculated salary for Nicole. We have to just paste this formula to the following cells. So after selecting this particular cell E2, you can see this particular tiny little box, green box, appearing at the right hand bottom of this cell. Just go to the hover over your mouse to that and you'll see this plus button appear. Okay, and just double click from your mouse and that's it. We have now salary calculated for each of our employees in a most efficient way. Okay, perfect. Now my next requirement is I just want to know what are the formulas someone has implemented in all these cells. So one method is to just click on this and you can see in the formula bar here the formula is C2 into D2. But there is a solutions in terms of functions that has been introduced starting Excel 2013. It's known as formula text. Okay, so we can use this Excel's formula text function to make our formula show up in the spreadsheet. For example, I'll paste the formula through formula text function from the cell E2, right? So I'll put the formula text function here, formula text, and I'll refer to cell E2, click on E2 and press enter. Dash it, and just select it, Control D. Yeah, and I have just duplicated the functions from this cell to rest of the cell. Okay, fine. Now let's calculate the total weekly salary of all the employees. Okay, so we'll make use of some functions here. So for that I will click on here in cell E10 and I'll put sum function. So this is our sum function, and I will select all these range starting from E2 till E9, and I'll close the parenthesis to get the total sum, right? And you can see I just automatically get this formula pasted through this formula text function, correct? Now my next task is I just want to compute the average salary of all our resources. For that I'll make use of average functions available in Excel. So let's say similar way I'll type average, and the average function has appeared, and I'll press the tab button and I'll select from cell E2 through E9, then press enter. Then I got the result, the average salary for all my employees. Okay, perfect. So that is the total solutions for this business challenge. I hope you like it.